and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Al, and in today's video it is going to be a makeup tutorial with me using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I was inspired to use some colors that I normally wouldn't use on a daily basis, so this includes like blues and purples, so I thought the end result was pretty cool. Again, I've never done anything like this before with using really bold and bright colors. So, sorry this intro looks a little bit different. I completely forgot to film one when I was filming my other video, but I wanted to just say thank you guys for supporting me already, and if you're not, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And comment down below what kind of other looks you guys want to see, if you enjoy this look, things like that. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is at Al Madsen with 2 N's at the end of Madsen. You guys know the drill, so let's just jump right into the video. I've already prepped my skin to put on the foundation, so I'm just going to do that part quickly. I'll speed it up for you guys. It's kind of self-explanatory of what I'm doing. Also, side note, it's probably not going to match my skin tone, but I don't really care because I like the way more tan looks on me and I'm just not self-tan. So I'm just gonna quickly do my foundation and then we'll get into the eye look today. I think that is good enough for right now. Might do some last minute finishing touches at the end to show you guys the completed look. So let's just jump right into the eye look today. I am super inspired by the blue color and within this Jaclyn Hill palette. So you all know that I love Jaclyn Hill. She is my girl. And I am just obsessed. I hope you guys can see how beautiful this is on camera, but I have just been super inspired to do more of a dramatic eye and just kind of play around with makeup. I feel like I just do a lot of neutrals and very simple looks, which I love too, but I now want to play around with some colors and get really good with using them and everything like that. So here we have the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm again just super inspired by this bottom row back here. I feel like I before would never have ever used them, but I'm ready to play with them today. And the colors I'm looking at are called Royalty, Twerk, Pool Party, Jada, Diva, Enchanted. So basically these, these blues and greens back here. I just stuck my finger in this one right here, but they're just so beautiful. I hope you guys can see that, and it's not too high in the camera because I can't really tell. So we're gonna jump right in. I've already done my face makeup, so it is now time to move on to the eyes. For this kind of a glam look, I don't really know what it's gonna turn out to. I'm honestly winging it and just gonna see where my mind takes me with these colors because they're blues, purples, greens, blacks, browns. So let's just jump right into it. That was an extremely long pause. So, okay, I think I'm going to set my eyes with these two colors right here. We're gonna just kind of get, I probably should have cleaned my brushes beforehand, but I was like, no, like it's fine, they're fine. We're gonna go over top of it anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. I think it just had some red on it from when I used it in my last video, which was my New Year's Eve get ready with me. So if you haven't checked that one out, go watch that one. It's kind of long, but I share some of my goals and I show you guys my look with some red tones. So yeah. Okay. This color is honestly just so pretty by itself. All right, so we're just gonna blend that in. I like to do I'm gonna do the whole eye like that, just making sure we are covered, which it looks like we are. Okay, so I'm really liking just kind of looking at it to see what direction I want to go in. And I'm thinking maybe of doing like these colors more on the eyes and then maybe doing a green like underneath. Let's go that direction. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous. This is so crazy. I'm like, I don't want to touch it. Okay. This is so out of my comfort zone of makeup. I really don't even know where to start. This is just a crease brush. All the brushes that I'm using are the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collab. We just gotta do it. We just gotta do it. Oh, okay. This is so blue. Oh my gosh. Okay. I kind of got scared, so that's fine. We're gonna put this in the crease, I think. I just opened this brush, so it's not really, it's more flat than I wanted, but we'll work with it. So we're just gonna take this teal color and we're gonna put it just right in the crease. This is so crazy. This is so vibrant. And the shade that I'm using, by the way, is called Jada. If you have the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm using the color Jada. All right, so there's that for right now. I literally feel like I look like a mermaid. All right, so next one, I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna do some shimmer on there. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can really see that on camera, but wow, that is pretty. Can you guys see that? That is so pretty. Wow, okay. She pigmented, she's sparkly, she's cool. Okay. Jaclyn Hill is not playing. I like applying shimmer shades with my finger. I feel like that gives the best like pigment. I feel like if I use a brush, it doesn't always show up as good. as if I was using my finger. So that's just personal preference for me. This is so pretty. Okay. Will I go out in public like this? I don't know. I do really like that dark blue. So I'm just gonna use another Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush. This is the JH32. You can see the difference between the two. This is a little bit fluffier, this is a little bit stiffer. All right, so I'm just gonna dip in. So the color I just used on my, for that shimmer shade was called Pool Party, which is this one, and now I'm gonna dip in this like purpley, more bluey color. It's like a mix between the two, and it's called Twerk. Some green on it, but that's okay because this look is more of a greeny blue, so green, blue, and purple, can't go wrong. So we're just gonna try to deepen up the outside corner of the eyes now. Ooh, okay, okay. I feel like this one isn't as pigmented, but that's okay. That is a-okay. And we're just gonna kind of blend this in on the outer corner. This look is actually really, for my first kind of colored look, I'm not hating it. I am not hating it. I'm still getting the hang of doing makeup. That's not just your typical brown color. This would be really cool if you were on like a tropical island or somewhere and you're going to dinner or you're going to a fancy event on the beach. I feel like this would be really interesting. I'm just gonna blend this out. I really kind of want to use this sparkly purple on the eyes too. Ooh, okay, so this is the color Royalty. And it's this kind of purpley. I'm nervous. I don't want to mess it up. I kind of did it like in the center. I'm gonna go back over this look with the with that teal again because I really like that. But I just kind of wanna blend this purple in this brush here, and I'm just gonna blend that out because she was looking like a lot. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go just kind of dab it once I start getting to the center so that it starts to blend a little bit better towards the outside. I'm obsessed with this blue that's called Pool Party. This is what I'm getting so far. I feel very mermaidy. This would be a good look for Halloween too. I think that's all I want to do on the, I don't want that in camera. Let's do, I think I'm just going to do a little bit of the under brow bone. So I'm just going to take a lighter shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette. We're going to just go right up here. And the shade that I'm using is called Beam. I'll show you guys on here too, and it's just this color right here. So that's the color I'm using. Now I think I might add a very, very thin line of eyeliner. I honestly might just use the black shade that's in here. It's called Abyss. It's literally just the only black shade in here. And I think I'm just gonna do a very, very thin line. And now we'll move on to the bottom lash line. So I think I'm going to bring down that blue and that purple I used before. And let's see what kind of brush I want to use. So we're just gonna clean that up. I'm just gonna go back in with this brush that I used to do underneath the eyebrow. I'm just gonna go back in with that same shade that we used, and I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I'm actually kind of proud of myself right now. It's probably not the best you've ever seen, but again, we're learning, we're growing. 2020 is the year of success. All right, so I'm just going to finish doing some mascara, and then I will be right back. All right, you guys, this is the completed look. I just added some mascara, I added some highlighter, and I added my favorite Kylie Cosmetics lipstick, the Candy K. It's my go-to, and I figured it would look good with this look, I think. And I think it does. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. It was actually really fun to do. But yeah, again, this is my final look that I have created today. I'm so proud of myself. I never would have done this before, like I said in my video, and I think it turned out pretty decent. I hope you guys can see that, and it turns out okay on camera. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel to support me. And let me know down in the comments if you like this type of look, if you're gonna try it, what other kind of looks or palettes you would like me to maybe review or try out. And yeah, that is all I have for this time around, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.